This video will show you how to install your new curb wrap over a freshly painted background, giving it a more professional appearance. Preparing your curb is key to the longevity of your curb wrap. With a scraper, scrape off any loose or chipping paint. With a wire brush, scrub the curb to remove any fine dirt and debris. Use a scrub brush to wipe away the leftover dust. Using multiple rows of tape, tape around the area you choose to paint. Spray on multiple coats of paint as needed and let dry. Slowly peel off the protective backing to prevent tearing your curb wrap and center it on the painted area. Using a rubber mallet, beat the curb wrap into the concrete. See? That was easy! Now you have your new curb wrap, and it looks amazing!